So you don't see your teachers crying every day, but those are like real tears falling down her cheek. So we're going to ask Mrs. Eschenbach to speak in a few moments, but first I know that Secretary Qarni would like to bring congratulations.
Well, Ms. Eschenbach, thank you so much for everything you do, and really, on behalf of the governor and the First Lady and the superintendent and myself, we're really happy for you, and congratulations. Really, really, I know this is a special day for you and your students and for the school, and we're just so happy to be part of this ceremony. So proud of you. You really deserve it. And the Milken Foundation, thank you so much for finding her. She's phenomenal. We have a lot of phenomenal teachers here in the Commonwealth, and to be part of this moment is really, really chilling for us. Students, please give her a big round of applause again for being amazing. Now, how many of you want to be a teacher one day? Okay, very good. I figured. So you can be like Ms. Eschenbach and win this award in a few years. So keep this in mind. This is the Oscar of teaching. This is really, really special. So I give you your special teacher and winner for this year's Milken Award, Ms. Eschenbach.
Thank you. I'm not sure you saw, but we're standing next to a check that's got your name on it, a big check. I know that Superintendent Lane also wants to bring greetings.
Congratulations. I cannot tell you how hard it has been to keep this secret. I've literally told nobody. When we were coming today, they gave me remarks. They said, don't say anything that's not on the paper because we're scared you'll give it away. But students, this is the biggest honor in teaching, and you have one of the very best teachers in America here. We just want to say how proud we are of you and so thankful to have you here in Roanoke, here in Virginia, and can't wait to see what you continue to do. Thank you so much for what you do to make our kids' lives special. My son is in 3rd grade, so I know what you deal with every day, and it is awesome because 3rd graders are awesome, so congratulations.